lived in the same spot your whole life. Were you visited? I swear you were like on vacation or somewhere. Florida. Somewhere at some point a couple years ago. Grandma. Yeah, somebody. Why isn't my chat working on the screen? People just think I'm talking to myself. Anyway. Hero. But what's been going on? How's it going? You still baking? Your whole well, my bad. I thought something else was going on. If there's an item. Oh, you're going to Germany. That's what's up. Yeah, there it is. It's like, why isn't my chat working? I got a job. Oh, volunteering at a hospital. That's cool. Look at you doing cool things in life. Ooh, you joined the science team. Oh, so it's like a science club where it's a chem lab. Well, that sounds pretty dope, man. Three months. You got this. Are you guys snowed in up there? Oh, she got the poison. That norovirus.
She said noro.
Oh, she gone. Where did this true even come from? What is happening? Go away. Shouldn't the if be here? It's cold, barely any snow. Yeah, we had thunder snow. Like, it was thundering and snowing at the same time. Like, I've never experienced that before. Do y'all have that up there? Oh, there we go. We got the bird named Kitty getting our potions. I feel great. Yes. We completed 100 arguments levels.